Hi Abdul,
Hi, ma'am.
how are you?
I'm fine. How about you, ma'am?
I'm good, Abdul. So this is Aruna from Quality Department. I just want to take a feedback interview, Abdul, from your side. So
Okay.
congratulations for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am.
So can you introduce about yourself, Abdul, all about yourself and presently what you're doing?
My name is Abdul Salam. I'm from Kerala. I completed my BTech degree in 2018 from Unis College of Engineering and Technology, Kollam, Varakevila. Now I am pursuing CACM course in CMTI.
So how did you get to know about CMTI?
I didn't get, ma'am.
So how did you get to know about CMTI?
One of my relative referred to me here.
Okay. So what and all you learned here, Abdul, apart from your college syllabus, and what was the unique thing you learned here?
Before came here, I know something, but some lack of confidence. Okay. After came here, I learned a lot from some experts like Natarajan sir, Gandhi sir, like that. അവിടെ ജോയിൻ ചെയ്യുന്നതിന് മുമ്പായിട്ട് എനിക്ക് എങ്ങനെ സംസാരിക്കണം എങ്ങനെ ബിഹേവ് ചെയ്യണം അത്ര ഇതില്ലായിരുന്നു. Then ഇവിടെ വന്നതിന് ശേഷം ഫ്രണ്ട്സിനോടായാലും ടീച്ചേഴ്സിനോടായാലും നല്ല രീതിയിൽ ഇടപഴകി എങ്ങനെ ബിഹേവ് ചെയ്യണം എല്ലാം ഞാൻ നല്ല രീതിയിൽ പഠിച്ചു. Then പുതുതായിട്ട് ഞാൻ കുറെ സബ്ജക്ട്സ് കമ്പയർ ടു കോളേജ് സിലബസ് ഞാൻ കുറെ അധികം കാര്യങ്ങൾ ഇവിടുന്ന് പഠിക്കാൻ പറ്റും. About building engineering, QS, BBS, like that. Everything I learned from here.
Okay. So what about your software training?
It's good, ma'am. AutoCAD, SketchUp, and also in Excel also. I didn't have anything in Excel before came here. I studied a lot from here.
Okay, fine. So coming to your site visit. So how was that, Abdul?
Yeah, it's very good experience. I came here, and after came here, I visited a lot of sites like Victoria, Fenesta, then Asian Paints Color Academy.
Fine. So coming to your trainers. So how was Natarajan sir, especially like how was Ashok sir, the career guidance and interview guidance and all? Can you tell me briefly about that?
നടൻ സാറ് നല്ല എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് ഉള്ള ഒരു മനുഷ്യനാണ്. അദ്ദേഹത്തിൽ നിന്ന് എനിക്ക് ഒരുപാട് കാര്യങ്ങൾ പഠിക്കാൻ പറ്റി. Then Ashok sir, he gave a lot of things, how to attend the interview, how to behave, then how to wear proper dressing, everything. He gave a lot of things about it.
Okay. So yeah, what about CMTI app? How did that help you?
It's a good app. ഇപ്പൊ നമ്മള് ഏതെങ്കിലും ക്ലാസ് കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ മിസ് ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിൽ CMT ആപ്പ് വളരെ ഉപകാരമാണ്. ഏതെങ്കിലും സെഷൻ കാര്യങ്ങൾ മിസ് ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് അതിനകത്ത് നോക്കി പഠിക്കാൻ പറ്റും. ഇറ്റ്സ് ഗുഡ്.
Okay, fine. Then coming to CMTI staffs and all, how was their coordination, whether it is the class or it is the placement for HR? So how was their coordination throughout the process, Abdul?
Yeah, good ma'am. They have helped me a lot. Even Monica ma'am, Arna ma'am, Meghna, even Shweta ma'am, everyone is very cooperative.
Okay, fine. So Abdul, starting you said about lack of confidence, right? So can you speak me about your confidence right now before joining CMTI and then after joining CMTI? Any changes in your confidence?
Yeah, lots of changes. Because before came here, I didn't speak to anyone or I didn't ask to any question to teachers because I have some fear because how if it is right or wrong like that. After other training going on, then I slowly I become understanding like that. Then
So now
now
you are
now I am okay, ma'am. I'm confident.
Okay, that is good to hear from you, Abdul.
Yeah.
Fine. So then finally, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors, Abdul?
If a freshers do hiring a job like that, you have to come to CMTI. It's very good learning platform for freshers. You have to learn almost everything from even in construction field or in interior. They teach all the things, even in basically. You have to get more knowledge from here.
Okay. So I hope you're happy with your placements.
Yeah, mom.
Okay, fine. Then is CMTI providing lots of opportunity to you, Abdul?
Yeah. Yes,
Yeah,
mom.
fine. Very short and sweet. Thank you, Abdul. Thank you so much for your feedback. I hope all the best for your future. Congratulations for your
Thank
placements.
you. Thank
Thank you,
you.
Abdul.
Thank you.